Sup everyone, Cyan here. Quick look on RK N80 we have today here. This board is a low profile mechanical keyboard from Royal Clutch. And honestly, I do enjoy it. Starting at $130, this board only has two colorways, Sandy Grey and Dune Red, with the two switch options for now, RK low profile brown switch and red switch. RK N80, an exploded 75% with a smart display screen knob at the top right corner. If you have seen my previous video on the RK S98, it is essentially the same thing. You get to change most of the settings from this knob itself. Other than just adjusting the volume, you get to switch Bluetooth device, WinMac layout, RGB settings, etc. On top of that, they do have a proprietary software to further customize your own GIF if you need to. On the top left corner of the board, you get two USB-C ports, one for charging, one for wire connection with the USB dongle slot at the other end. This board packs with 3700 50 mAh battery, which they claim to be long lasting. For my use case, I don't find it that way. I do see myself charge once every 2 weeks. Keycap and switch is pretty basic, DISA PVT and RK reed switch for my unit. From their website, there is IXP foam sandwiching the PCB and a bottom silicone pad for now. Without further ado, let's go over a quick typing test first. Coming from low-free flow, in terms of acoustics, without questions, the low-free sounds way richer and deeper. But the reason that keep me using this is the flexibility in typing angle and the lighter actuation force. RK Red actuates at 40 grams, not the softest, but at least I don't feel any fatigue despite typing for long hours. Other than that, I do see the LCD screen as a nice to have feature, allowing me to confirm my current layout and connected device. Things that I don't like, for a plastic board, $130 might sound a bit overpriced for me, and it makes me rethink again whether this is RK, as they are famous for offering very budget keyboards. I believe they do discounts here and there, so be sure to keep an eye on it if you are considering one. And that's probably it. Any questions, feel free to leave below, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!